Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about the Hero Maestro Edge 125, which is recently launched in the Indian markets. So basically 125cc is the very competitive segment in India, and Hero has done a very great job with the Maestro Edge. So guys, we'll talk about what all features we get in this scooter. So if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, make sure you do subscribe. So without further delay, let's start the video. So guys, starting from the front, here we get the small windscreen, and the look of the scooter is quite aggressive. In the front we get the LED headlamp, which is quite bright. And if we talk about the graphics, so here we'll get the golden color graphics on the white color. We will be getting the bulb indicators in the scooter. Also we will get the DRL as well. So like this DRL we will get in this scooter. In the front and in the rear we will get the alloy wheels, and this scooter will come with the IBS technology, which is the integrated braking system from the Hero. Also we will get the orange color reflector. We will get the front shockers in the golden color, which looks really great. Like these graphics we will get on the front mudguard, like silver, like grey and the golden color graphics. So this is the left side profile view of Hero Maestro Edge. Along with that, this scooter will come with the i3S technology. On the left side we will get the programmed FI badging. Now this scooter will come with the dual tone color, like this brown color we will get with the white color, which looks really premium. In addition to that, we will get the seat as well in the brown color. On the side panel we will get like these graphics. We get two options like kickstart as well as this self start in this scooter. Now talking about the engine, so this scooter will come with 124.6cc of engine, which will generate 9.1 PS of power and 10.4 Newton meters of torque. In the rear also we get the LED tail lamp. And this scooter will come with the external fuel filling option. So this is the external fuel filling option. Coming towards the instrument console, like this instrument console we will be getting in the Hero Maestro Edge. We will get the speedometer, fuel gauge indicator, time, odometer, mileage of the scooter, trip 1, trip 2. Also this scooter comes with the Bluetooth connectivity, so you will get the navigation assist as well, with call notifications like incoming alerts and all. Also you will be getting the Find My Parking and etc. all the features. Along with that, this scooter will come with the side stand engine cutoff feature as well. Talking about the buttons on the handlebar, here we get the dual tone color like white and black color. On the handlebar we get the low beam, high beam and the passing integrated button. Below that we get the indicator button, and below that we get the horn button. On the right side we get the i3S technologies on off button, and below that we get the self start button. So as I said, this is the external fuel filling option. So here from here you can fill the petrol inside your scooter. We get the Maestro Edge 125 written in the 3D logo, which gives the premium look to the bike. So this is the footrest of the pillion, which is quite bigger in size. Coming towards the seat, so seat is very big and very comfortable. The cushioning is quite great, and the rider's seat is quite spacious, and the pillion seat is also quite spacious. So the seating compartment is great. Talking about the under seat storage, here you can keep the half face helmet, and you will be getting some documentations and some toolkits and all. So guys, this was all about the Hero Maestro Edge 125. So on-road price of this scooter is around 95,000. So this may get vary according to states. So guys, if you have any query, please do let me know in the comment section. So we'll meet in the next video with the new bike and the new information. So till then, thanks for watching.